Congratulations, you've made it to level 2. I hope you're ready to transform your playing skills to a whole new level. Click the link in the description box to download our free, easy-read sheet music for this lesson. All of our music publications are always free, and we always offer instant downloads. And remember, we never ask for your email address or credit card information. Just click the link and download the music you want. It's that easy. Okay, here's today's lesson. Okay, as you've probably already noticed, you are now starting to see full 3-note chords. It won't be long before you're playing songs with more than just 2 chords, but this is the level where your left hand is developing the ability to form these chords. Before you know it, your hand will be forming these chords very naturally. So I urge you to embrace patience. For some students, this can truly be the most challenging part. Trust me, you will master this skill in no time, but you need to overcome this hurdle, and once you do, everything will fall into place effortlessly. So for our part, we are committed to delivering exceptional professional quality lessons that are carefully crafted to enhance your chord skills and help you achieve your musical goals. I strongly recommend dedicating a minimum of 10 minutes to daily practice at least 4 to 5 days each week. If you commit to this journey, you will not only achieve but exceed your dream of playing the piano at an extraordinary level. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Don't miss the incredible opportunity to access an endless stream of amazing online video lessons that can transform your skills and knowledge. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe today to stay updated and never miss a chance to learn and grow. I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.